Hey everybody, welcome back to Stringing Guitars in the Underground Lair. We're going to show you how to change out regular Gibson modern tuners with Kluson Locking Tuners. When I say modern, they are the old style that you might remember. Bridge keeps on falling out like that, but if you look at the front, it's just not the post coming through with a collar. It's got the little nuts, the modern style hole and post with a vintage style back on it. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to just move this bridge over here so that it stops falling out, and I can go ahead and flip this over and work on it. So we're taking the screws out of the original tuners. We're saving right here, and the Klusons will drop right in. So let me get this side of it done. And I'll be right back with the other. Okay, so this is it. You just you take the two screws out the bottom, take the bushing out, the tuner falls out, put everything back the way it came. Clean the dust off. They will just fall right into the spot where the other ones came out of. So the new tuning machines just go where the other ones came out of. Exact fit, factory replacement. But when you have a Gibson, you're going to want to keep the original parts. So we can get rid of that so we can repackage later. With wood screws, you want to back out until you feel the screw drop into the thread. That's how you don't strip them out. Alrighty, now all the tuners are in place. Flip the guitar over, adjust the camera. There we go. Now you've got to put the bushings and, is it beveled? So you put your little washer on. And you tighten it down. I have a 10mm driver. Hold on a second. So yeah, I've got my 10mm driver. Make it way easier to get that in there. Once again, put the washer down. Start your bushing. Take it down with a nut driver. And you don't want it super tight, you just want it snug. And they look like they belong there. Once again, I'd keep the originals. For resale value. Tuners. And we take and unlock the back of the tuning machines, which allows a cam to drop in. When you tighten them back up, the cam comes back out. Alright, so you may ask yourself, how do you keep the stop piece from falling off the guitar whenever you're restringing your Les Paul? You get yourself one of those high school erasers from the dollar store, or in my case it was Office Depot. I don't know. Bought a pack for like $2. So you take your string, make sure it's in the saddle properly. We take it through. Make sure it's there. Make sure it's there. Pull it tight. And we lock it down. Just draw it tight enough. Through, get it in the saddle, and tighten down the knob on the bottom. In the saddle, lock it down, and then bring it up to pitch. Oh, the tension on it.